Hi, I'm here with Bruce Devine, CEO of Signal Hound. Hi, Bruce. How are you?
Good, Debra. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. Things are going really well at Signal Hound, aren't they?
It's been a really good year. We've kept very busy, and yes, we have.
Why don't you talk about your brand new software tools for Spike and also your vector signal generator?
I'm going to keep short the part with the software tools and with the vector signal generator. Justin, our RF engineer, he'll talk more about those two things, but I'll give you just a little bit. Talk a little more about what we're doing in our future this year. The first big new thing that we've introduced or are going to be introducing at the show this year is the software, the Spike software. It's version 3.0.8. That version is the first time that we've released digital modulation analysis tools. And so we've got stuff like EVM measurements, we have constellation diagrams, we have symbol tables, we have bit pattern recognition or pattern matching for QAM and for PSK modulation types. So that's one major thing that we're introducing this year. Now the other product that we're introducing this year is the VSG25A. It's a vector signal generator, and it goes from 100 megahertz to 2.5 gigahertz. But the thing that's very pleasing to us about it is that it's coming out. It's a $495 product. I don't think anybody's even seen a VSG for $495. And Microwave Journal, in this month's May issue, gave us the distinction of choosing our product as the most valuable product of the month. So we were very pleased about that.
Well, that's pretty hard to beat.
Yeah, it is. You know, it's been great. They've also ran a feature article along with it in the same issue, so we're very pleased about that.
So what are you going to do next for an encore?
Well, we've got quite a few things on our plate that we're looking at, but the most immediate work that we're doing, we just began design work on a new line of spectrum analyzers, and we're calling it the SM series, the spectrum monitoring series. We had feedback from customers, and they were saying that they didn't want the high wattage that is being drawn with the present setup that we have now to offer. And so what we're doing is transferring some of the processing into an FPGA, adding an ARM processor, and making it operate on a Linux operating system. And the stability that offers and the low wattage, the low power that offers, I think is going to hit the spot for our customers. It also has an Ethernet output port, so that whole package is going to be a lot more relevant to the spectrum monitoring community, I believe.
Wow, it seems like you're biting off a pretty big chunk here.
Yeah, it is a pretty big chunk. It's gonna keep us busy for the year, for sure.
Well, it sounds like Signal Hound is a company that other manufacturers are going to want to keep an eye on.
I would like to think so. I hope so. And I hope that's not being too presumptuous to say that, but we're pretty pleased with what we're doing.
Well, thank you, and good luck to you, Bruce.
Thank you, Debra. Have a good day.